Getting ready to put the boat in. He'll be coming around the corner any minute. My job is to hold the rope. All right. I hope I have a fish that I can take a video of and share with you guys. All right. Thanks for stopping by. I'm JB, just living truth. And the truth of this is God's creation is beautiful. I'm holding the rope. I can't do this all by myself. Oh my gosh, and there's the boat. Here we are. My captain and me on the boat. Enjoy the video. We didn't catch any fish to bring home, but we sure did see the true snowbirds, which are the white pelicans that we absolutely love. They are just gorgeous. Back at the dock, we didn't see any alligators either. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.